first thing we need to do is cinch his ears. So I'm just going to secure that up the side here, and then I'm going to go in from the, I think that was around 19 or 20, and I'm going to bring that up diagonally through here to about a third of the way along the base. And then I'm just going to sew back and forth a few times. Until his ear kind of gathers in slightly. Oops, another deer's antlers have been caught. There we go, you can see that the deer's ear shape is starting to form. And I think that's probably about as many times as I went through it last time as well. So yeah, about 4 or 5 times. And then what I'm going to do is secure it up here with a couple of stitches so that it doesn't loosen up. There is another loose thread from that join I made in the yarn at the end. So I'll trim that. And I can trim this thread as well. Little deer's having a haircut, and then I'm going to work across here, and I'm going to do the same thing in the other direction, not forgetting to have a few stitches first. You can try making the ears different sizes by starting working your cinching a little bit closer here